All right, guys, I want you to pay attention to this module inside cryptocurrency trading course. Okay. Now, today we're going to be talking about how you can store your cryptocurrency, then the difference between tokens and coins, and how you can send and receive cryptocurrency. But I'm going to split these into two parts. The first part is going to talk about how to differentiate between tokens and coins. And the next part is going to be on how to send and receive cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you that real quick. So now, you need to pay attention to what I'm going to share with you now. Look at the Manchester United Football Club and look at their stadium. Their stadium is like a blockchain where they conduct every of their activities. Okay, so Manchester United is a coin. It's a coin because it can appreciate and depreciate in value. Okay, now every other thing that comes to Manchester United Stadium to play football, or every other person that comes in as a spectator, whether they are 100,000 people, 200,000 people, it doesn't matter. Okay, all of them, they are tokens. The officials that came around to officiate the match, they are all tokens. Okay, so that is the perfect example of how you can visualize the difference between token and a coin. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you to CoinMarketCap, also on Ethereum blockchain. Now, this is CoinMarketCap. Everything you are seeing here, this one is a coin, this one is a coin, this one is used to be a token on Ethereum blockchain, but they've gone ahead to create their own native blockchain. So Binance Coin is no longer a token, it is now a coin. So Ripple is a coin, USDT is a token because it is created under. Okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I'm going to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys. This and this, under this and this. So you have Cardano, you have Doge, you have Polkadot, you have Uniswap. Uniswap is also a token on Ethereum blockchain. So when you scroll down, there are a lot of other crypto that are not coins. Like basic attention token is a token, and that is explicit enough. It is not a coin also. So now, if you come here, this is an explorer. An explorer is a client, that you can use to interact with different blockchains. Okay, so now this is Etherscan. If you click on Etherscan, it will take you to this point. Once it takes you to this point, this should be the home page, and from this is how the home page looks like exactly. So this is the current price of Ethereum. This is the total market cap of Ethereum at the moment. This is the mining difficulty on the blockchain. This is the hash rate, the GUI. That is if you want to process the transaction. This is what you should be focusing on. And also, this is the amount of transaction that Ethereum has processed in the past. Ethereum has processed more than 1,000 million transactions so far in the history of this blockchain. Okay, so now if you come here, this is where you can have access to top Ethereum tokens. If you click on this point, it will take you to the top Ethereum tokens. I said that Binance is an example of token on Ethereum blockchain, and you can see that here, having over 300,000 holders at the moment. Okay, so you can see every other ones, like Uniswap is a token, this is also a token. So there are a lot of them here, and you can see them live on this blockchain. So now you have to pay attention to these two. If you want to view the previous transactions on the previous token transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, if you click on view ERC 20 tokens, to take you to this point where you can have access to thousands of transactions that took place in the last few seconds. Okay, so someone sent about 4,554.18 DAI in the last 26 seconds on this blockchain. So that is what you need to understand. about token. You can also create your own token if you know how to create a smart contract and how to deploy it on Ethereum blockchain. If your name is Johnson James, you can create a JJ coin also on Ethereum blockchain. You can also do the same thing on Binance blockchain and every other blockchain. So far you know how to create a token, and that token and that blockchain allow creation of smart contracts. You can do that also by yourself. Okay, see you in the next lesson in this module.